entrance to be dramatic.
What do you mean dramatic?
Wait.
Welcome.
That wasn't dramatic.
This is my intro. This is my intro. This is my intro.
Hi guys, it's Bosa. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. So for today's video, I'll be giving you guys a room tour, or more like a tent tour of the Kidepo Savannah Lodge. This lodge is actually one of the lodges that are owned by Nature Lodges. I will leave a link in the description box where you can check out their website and see what they have going on. So the lodge is actually very close to the Kidepo National Valley Park. I believe it's like a stone throw away. So when you get into that tent, there were two beds that had like Masai lesus. The room was giving Karamoja vibes. We do have the option to get one large bed, but I was sharing the room with one of my siblings and it just made sense to get two beds. So Nature Lodges always tries to have their tents or rooms look like the environment. And then we had storage cabins in the tents where I kept my bag, and there were actually two in the room, but my sibling lives like a nomad and they carried all their property around the game park. Each at the time we had to leave the tent, hence why this is empty now. To be honest, the tents are not actually very large, so there's not much to them. They come with like a little bench where we put our basket that had some fruit and like snacks. Then the room also had a sofa, just one, and a little table. It didn't come with a bucket, that was ours. There was a bedside lamp and some charging points. Now in the center of the tent there was also like a regular lamp that had some mesh to it. So right outside the tent there is a fence that gives Karamoja vibes once again. And as you move to the bathroom, there was just this little space between the tents and the bathroom that was suspicious. Like, what if an animal grabs me? But anyway, there was also a window overfacing the park, just in case you wanted to be looking out in the middle of the night. And a toilet, obviously, with toiletries for you to clean it if you wanted to. And a rainfall shower head. Now you don't have to worry about the water here because Karamoja is pretty much hot. So these guys had like solar panels. Everything here was solar powered and there was always warm water. Now outside the tent, we had a balcony that was overfacing the park. It came with two like safari chairs where you can have your drinks, some wine, and pretty much live the baby girl lifestyle. Now, because Karamoja is in that semi-desert region, this place had so many rocks and acacia trees that were bomb for taking pictures and boomerangs, which I will insert somewhere above. It was also like being in the Nat Geo world, if you know what I mean. So that's pretty much it, guys, for the room tour. I'll link other videos in the description box and in the eye above. If you guys are interested in checking them out, please do. If you're not subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button because it helps me out. Love and blessings. See you in the next one.